Music.
Psyche represents the human spirit or soul. And in mythology, she was represented as a princess so beautiful.
Wow!
The people adored her instead of Aphrodite.
She doesn't like that.
To put an end to this sacrilege, Aphrodite sent her son Cupid to make Psyche fall in love with the ugliest creature he could find. But when Cupid saw her, he fell in love and forgot his mother's command. They became lovers, though Cupid forbade Psyche ever to look upon him. When at last she did, he fled in fear of what Aphrodite would do to him in revenge. Psyche roamed the earth in search of her lover, facing obstacles thrown in her way by Aphrodite to prove that she was worthy of her son. One of these tasks involved a golden box, which she was forbidden from opening.
Wow, a box. I'm Pandora. I want to open the box. Can I open the box? Hey,
No,
yes.
Stop.
When she did open it, I wonder what will happen next.